sometimes I am so annoyed on myself because I didn't pay attention to my French when I was going to high school. And I wish I had now, because now I'm going to speak to Frederic from DS Smith. Frederic, I am so sorry that I can't speak French.
Thank you, welcome.
You are a project manager for DS Smith in France and involved with technical questions, right?
Yeah. I'm working for DS Smith for 25 years now in the south, in the west cluster. Sorry, it concerns 5 plants in France. I'm working on production and technical projects.
When you work with technical projects in DS Smith is a huge company, of course. Do you kind of align the equipment from all the sites in different countries?
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
No, I'm just asking if you buy, let's say, a corrugator, will you buy the same corrugators from all the other plants, or is that different from plant to plant?
All are different from plant to plant. Yes, you can choose different supplier on the market, and mainly VHS, sure, but you have got the choice to find the good material.
So your role is also to find the right equipment for the job you need to do.
Yes, sure. And I'm here today to have a look to the new digital printing machine, because I well know as a corrugator, I well know the printing process, because I was before project manager in Cognac in France, and the new technology, the new digital technology seems to be a good technology. I'm very interested by this technology.
And it's always great because when you see technology like the new JetLiner here, it seems to have fantastic quality and fantastic speed. But do you think you have enough customers to use it?
Oh yes, of customer. I don't realize at this moment what is the quality level. So I will discover this afternoon, because we are going to Schumacher. Yes, just here. But perhaps in the near future we will try our product on your machine. I suppose I would like.
Okay. So the idea is that you will take some of the jobs that you do today, bring them to BHS,
Yes,
and see how they look compared to what you do today.
Yes, that's the purpose. I will propose. I hope we will have the chance to make some tests, some trial on the machine, on this fantastic machine, I suppose.
I'm pretty sure that you will not buy it unless you have seen it, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So when you go to Schumacher to see the machine in this afternoon, what will you look for in particular?
I will look for the machine, sure, for the position of the machine close to the corrugator, but I will also look to the general plant, and I want to see all the details, and we'll see the details, I suppose.
I saw them yesterday. You can look forward, I promise you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Frederic.
Thank you.